Meal prep taking too much time? These tested Amazon kitchen tools make chopping, prepping, and organizing food faster and easier. But don't skip number 11. This one could seriously upgrade your meal prep. Keep food fresh and organized with this vacuum sealer for food. It comes with 30 reusable vacuum bags and a convenient 20 milliliter tank, making food storage simple and efficient. Remove excess air to help preserve freshness, reduce waste, and save valuable refrigerator or freezer space. Perfect for meal prep, leftovers, meats, snacks, and everyday kitchen storage. Cook with confidence using this wireless Bluetooth meat thermometer with dual probes. Monitor 2 foods or cooking points at once while keeping track of temperatures from a convenient distance. Perfect for grilling, roasting, smoking, and barbecue. It helps you achieve accurate, consistent results every time. A handy tool for home cooks and serious grow masters alike. Make food prep faster with this handheld food chopper. Perfect for chopping vegetables, onions, garlic, and nuts. It features a sharp stainless steel blade for efficient cutting. The compact handheld design is easy to use and store, while the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple. A convenient kitchen helper for quick everyday meal preparation. Create cafe-style foam at home with the Maestri House Lunafro Max rechargeable milk frother. Its rechargeable design makes it convenient for everyday use, while stepless speed control lets you adjust the frothing speed to your preference. Perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and creamy coffee drinks. It's a compact kitchen essential for smooth, delicious foam anytime. Upgrade your kitchen sink with the AVS Isle kitchen faucet. Featuring a convenient pull-down sprayer and built-in soap dispenser, it makes washing dishes and cleaning the sink easier and more efficient. The brushed finish adds a modern, stylish look, while the flexible sprayer provides better reach and control. A practical and attractive choice for any busy kitchen. Keep your kitchen counter dry and organized with this large stone dish drying mat. Made with highly absorbent diatomaceous earth, it quickly soaks up water from dishes, bottles, utensils, and more. The 24 by 16-inch surface provides plenty of space, while the foldable design makes storage easy. A stylish, practical solution for keeping your countertop cleaner and clutter-free. Make family meals easier with the Bella XL electric griddle. Its spacious 12 by 22-inch cooking surface gives you plenty of room for pancakes, eggs, burgers, grilled sandwiches, and more. Featuring a ceramic titanium, non-toxic cooking surface, it offers convenient everyday cooking with easy cleanup. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or entertaining guests. Enjoy beautiful tea moments with the CNG Glass 40-ounce glass teapot. Designed for stovetop use, its clear glass body lets you watch blooming and loose-leaf tea infuse beautifully. The convenient one-touch design makes pouring simple and smooth, while the 1,200 milliliter capacity is perfect for sharing. A stylish and practical choice for tea lovers who enjoy fresh, flavorful brews. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ruvati 32-inch stainless steel undermount workstation sink. Its spacious design provides plenty of room for washing and food prep, while the undermount installation creates a sleek, seamless look. Built with durable stainless steel, it's designed for everyday use and helps keep your countertop organized and efficient. Perfect for modern kitchens. Make kitchen food waste easier to manage with this 4-liter electric composter. Its smart countertop design helps process everyday food scraps in a convenient, compact unit. Perfect for modern kitchens, it saves space while making composting simpler and more practical. A great choice for anyone looking for a cleaner, more convenient way to handle kitchen waste. Cook delicious meals with the Cuisinart air fryer. Featuring a 4-quart capacity, glass basket, and clear view window, it lets you easily monitor your food as it cooks. With 5 versatile cooking functions, you can air fry, roast, bake, and more with ease. Its compact design is perfect for everyday meals and crispy, flavorful results with less hassle. Take your baking to the next level with this 7.4-quart electric dough mixer. Featuring a large 304 stainless steel bowl, ferment function, timer control, and an easy face-up touch panel. It makes mixing and kneading dough simple. Perfect for bread, pizza, and pastries, this powerful machine is designed for both home kitchens and more demanding baking tasks.
Upgrade your kitchen with the Nanfang Brothers 7-piece Damascus knife set. Featuring ultra-sharp blades and ergonomic ABS handles, it delivers precision, comfort, and durability for every cut. This complete set includes essential knives, kitchen shears, and a stylish block for organized storage. Perfect for both home cooks and pros, it makes food prep faster and easier. All this premium quality for just $85. Open any jar with ease using this mount-on cabinet jar opener. Designed for weak hands and arthritis, its double U-shaped grooves grip all lid sizes securely. Durable 304 stainless steel and one-handed use make it a must-have kitchen helper.
Keep your kitchen counter dry and organized with this large stone dish drying mat. Made with highly absorbent diatomaceous earth, it quickly soaks up water from dishes, bottles, utensils, and more. The 24 by 16-inch surface provides plenty of space, while the foldable design makes storage easy. A stylish, practical solution for keeping your countertop cleaner and clutter-free. Upgrade your kitchen with the Sensarte 17-piece ceramic pots and pans set. Featuring a versatile collection of cookware with detachable handles, this space-saving set makes cooking, serving, and storing more convenient. The ceramic cooking surfaces are easy to clean, while the stylish navy finish adds a modern touch, perfect for preparing everything from quick breakfasts to family dinners. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this 3-pack teak wood cutting board set. Made from durable teak wood, these boards provide sturdy surfaces for chopping, slicing, and serving. Their non-slip design helps keep them steady while you work, and the different sizes make them versatile for everyday meals, food prep, and elegant charcuterie displays.
Slice like a pro with the Gramercy adjustable mandolin food slicer. Perfect for potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, onions, fruits, and more, it delivers fast, even cuts every time. Built with durable stainless steel and adjustable settings for precision slicing, it also includes cut-resistant gloves for added safety. At just $39.95, it's the ultimate kitchen tool for quick, effortless meal prep.
Upgrade your kitchen with the Astercook 15-piece German knife set. Featuring sharp, durable knives, a stylish storage block, and a built-in sharpener. This set gives you everything you need for effortless slicing, chopping, and dicing. Perfect for everyday cooking. It keeps your knives organized, sharp, and always ready for your next delicious meal. Brew with precision using the Chefman electric kettle. With 5 temperature presets, LED indicator lights, and a removable tea infuser. It's perfect for tea, coffee, and hot water. The 1.8-liter glass design, 360-degree swivel base, and BPA-free construction offer convenience and easy everyday use. A stylish, versatile addition to any modern kitchen.
Meet the Sturmax Midnight Blue 7.5-quart digital multi-cooker, your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With an automatic stirring paddle and 9 smart presets, it sautés, sears, and simmers perfectly without constant attention. Effortless cooking, delicious results every time.
Bake with confidence using the Pearly non-stick 10-piece baking pan set. Made from durable BPA-free carbon steel with comfortable silicone handles, this versatile set includes baking sheets, trays, and more for everyday cooking. The stackable design saves storage space, while oven-safe construction up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit makes it perfect for cookies, cakes, roasted dishes, and delicious homemade treats.
Brew the perfect cup with the Vinci Micro Cafe, the smallest single-serve coffee brewer. Compatible with K-cups, pods, and ground coffee, it uses enclosed circle flow brewing for hotter, richer flavor. Easily brew 4 ounces to 20 ounces of your favorite coffee in sleek black. Compact, convenient, and full of flavor.
Make kitchen prep faster with the Sancon 5-in-1 fruit processor blender combo. Perfect for smoothies, chopping, blending, and more. This versatile set handles everyday ingredients with ease. Its multifunctional design helps save time and space while giving you more ways to prepare delicious meals and drinks at home.
Start your morning the smart way with the classic Retro 3-in-1 breakfast station. This versatile cooking station includes an egg and veggie steamer, a non-stick griddle for bacon or pancakes, and a wide 2-slot toaster with toasting control. Compact and stylish, it lets you prepare a complete breakfast quickly and conveniently, all in one place. Enjoy your favorite drinks with ease using this 3L electric kettle beverage dispenser. Brew tea or coffee with the built-in infuser, control the temperature to perfection, and serve effortlessly with the convenient spigot. Stylish glass design, perfect for home or office. Hot or cold drinks made simple. Cook eggs perfectly every time with the Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker. Make 7 hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, or omelets with ease. Featuring auto shutoff, an alarm, a 16-recipe booklet, and a sleek charcoal gray design. Fast, convenient, and foolproof. Bake fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with the Coviet 25-in-1 bread maker, just $119. Featuring an automatic dual dispenser and multiple settings for gluten-free, dough, jam, yogurt, and more, it delivers perfect results every time. With a 2 lb capacity and sleek stainless steel design, it's your all-in-one solution for delicious, bakery-quality creations at home. Easily slice and core fruits with the apple slicer. This heavy-duty cutter handles apples up to 3.8 inches, features 8 slices, a comfort handle, and a stable stand. Plus, it comes with tomato cutting blades for versatile, quick, and safe kitchen prep. Spread butter effortlessly with the Chef Master stainless steel butter spreader dispenser. Holds up to 3 sticks, 55 ounces, and features a smooth roller for buns, bread, griddles, and flat tops. Durable, dishwasher safe, and perfect for quick, mess-free serving.
Shred cheese and slice vegetables effortlessly with the Geedle rotary cheese grater. Fast, easy, and perfect for everyday meal prep. Chop, slice, and prep faster with a Mueller 10-in-1 vegetable chopper and mandolin slicer. Your all-in-one kitchen prep helper. Pack meals smarter with the Rick Doken 3-layer bento lunchbox. Large, leak-proof, portable, and perfect for organized everyday meals. Slice vegetables quickly and safely with the once-for-all mandolin slicer, an all-in-one kitchen prep essential. Keep your kitchen organized with this 2-tier pot lid holder. Store lids neatly on your counter or stovetop while saving valuable space. Keep your air fryer cleaner with these 2-pack silicone liners. Reusable, easy to clean, and designed for Ninja 8 to 10 quart dual air fryers. Save space and simplify rinsing with the Blue Ginkgo Oversint Colander. Extendable, convenient, and perfect for everyday kitchen prep. Organize your spices effortlessly with this 3-tier bamboo spice rack. Perfect for wall mounting or keeping neatly on your countertop. Monitor your meat from up to 650 feet away with the TempPro TempSync Bluetooth meat thermometer. 2 probes for precise grilling. Keep snacks fresh and organized with House Again chip bag clips. 12 heavy-duty, silicone-covered clips with airtight sealing and color-coded convenience. Save space and prep smarter with the Nihome Oversint cutting board and collapsible colander. Non-slip, versatile, and perfect for everyday kitchen tasks. Core, peel and slice pineapples effortlessly with the Choxilla stainless steel pineapple corer. Large, durable, and perfect for quick kitchen prep. Create fresh veggie noodles in seconds with the Full-Star vegetable spiralizer and slicer. Easy, quick, and perfect for healthy meals. Maximize cabinet space with the Packita 4-pack expandable pull-out organizers. Deep, adjustable, and perfect for keeping kitchen essentials neat and accessible. Slice vegetables, fruits, onions, and cheese quickly with the Geedle Professional Mandolin Slicer. Versatile, precise, and perfect for effortless kitchen prep. Keep your sink neat with the Sicily Sponge Holder. Organize sponges and brushes neatly while keeping your countertop clutter-free. Stay on schedule in the kitchen with this digital magnetic kitchen timer and stopwatch. Featuring a clear LED display, easy controls, and convenient magnetic placement. Cook smarter with the Tyfer Sync 8QT AI Smart Air Fryer, featuring a wireless meat thermometer for perfectly cooked meals. Keep your kitchen cleaner with this 13-inch stainless steel splatter screen. Blocks hot oil splashes while frying bacon, chicken, and more. Cook more with the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1. Pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, and more, with a 6-quart capacity and 800+ recipes. Brew with precision using the Kosori Smart Gooseneck Kettle, app-controlled temperature settings, and a sleek 0.8-liter design.